So I've got the Redmi Buds 6 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to use and also customize gestures on these earbuds. So first, you need to have paired these earbuds to your phone, obviously, and also set them up with the Xiaomi Earbuds application. So go ahead and load the app and then open the Redmi Buds 6 Pros. Now you can see they're connected. So you want to go and scroll to gestures, tap on that. And here, this basically lists for you all the gestures, okay? So you have tap left earphone once. So basically that means tapping. And to use gestures, basically when you're told to tap, it's this tap. Obviously, you're gonna have to put the earbuds in your ear to feel the effects, but tapping will be this, okay? So you can tap the left earbud or the left or the right earbud, okay? So let's have a look. So tap left earphone once, it says none, so it means that feature is actually disabled. Nothing is going to happen when you tap once, okay? Now, same goes for tapping the right earphone once, but for double tap, that's going to play and pause music. So let's have a look at this, okay? So we have Apple Music here. So let me tap once, tap twice, and that should play music. It should be a quick tap. There you go. Playing music from somewhere. So they were actually connected to a different device. So let's have another try. So double tap, pauses music, another double tap, plays music, okay? So let's have a look at the other gesture. So triple tap on the left earphone goes to the next song. Triple tap on the right earphone also goes to the next song. So these two do the same thing. So if you want to customize, you can actually say triple tap the right earphone goes to previous song, or we can leave this one to the next song and then triple tap the left earphone to go to previous song. So let's set that to previous song. So now if you go and look at your music, let's play some music. Double tap, that plays the music. Triple tap goes to the next song, to the previous song, because it's the left earbud. So another triple tap takes you to the previous song. Now if you go for the right earbud, let's triple tap, takes you to the next song, okay? So basically the gestures are there, and that's how you use them. And then also you have the press and hold. Now how do you press and hold? Now this is going to be slightly different from the way you press and hold things like AirPods. Pressing and holding is basically placing your finger for a long period of time like that, and that's going to activate something specific. Now, as you can see, we have press and hold set to noise cancellation for the left earphone, and then you have also press and hold set to noise cancellation for the right earphone. So let's have a look at that. So if we go to the noise controls, let's press and hold, and you can see that moves from noise cancellation to transparency. Press and hold again, that goes back to noise cancellation. So basically it's really straightforward. And then you have two main sections of gestures. You have touch gestures, and then you have swipe gestures. So you can tap on swipe gestures and see what happens when you swipe the left earphone and when you swipe the right earphone. So both of them are currently set to adjust volume. You can turn one of them off if you want to, but currently, as you can see, if we go back to our music player, all you have to do is swipe to increase volume. And I don't know if you can see the animation, you can't, but the volume is actually going higher. And if you want to reduce volume, you just swipe in the opposite direction. Simple as that. So that's basically how to use and customize gestures on your Redmi Buds 6 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.